Happy afternoon, everyone. It is a wonderful Thursday. It's the afternoon, so nice French toast in the air fryer. I love having my French toast in the air fryer versus over a pan because I like my French toast crunchy. So an air fryer dries it out to the perfect consistency for me, and I'm most likely to make a mess or burn myself like I would with a normal stove. I am a disaster when it comes to cooking, and I am not afraid to admit that. We are planting today. I've got an assortment of things here on my porch. The area that Dan built for me. Technically, it would be like a shaded area. I think the mole or gopher or whatever has made its presence known over here too. So the perennials I'm trying from seed are actually more of a sun type of plant. I think these are so pretty. So I'm gonna try planting these. They get really tall and they need a lot of space. So I wouldn't be able to fit that much around here because in theory I would just put them around the trunk of the tree because they're so tall and do shorter plants. But Walmart, the only place I've ever gone to buy plants. I never go to an actual nursery or anything. I'm not official like that. Doesn't have any good shaded plants. I mean, it's the end of June. It's to be expected. And I haven't found any seed packets that I like. So it might be that just these are hanging out over here. I don't know yet. I mean, I could do annuals. I just prefer perennials. In the long run, it's better because you don't have to plant them every single year and they get really, really big. And you can take cutlings off of them and make more plants. So in theory, I would love to have just piles and piles of perennials everywhere. From though, the rest of my plants, I've got catmint and Johnny jump ups and lemon balm, and I've got peas. And these are all annuals that I was just trying out. And while trying is a good word for it, we have to take our dirt and add some more dirt to this plant because something's been digging in it. The marigolds and the tomatoes are looking fantastic. I think next year I'll do a lot of marigolds around the front of this disgusting rock moss bed. The whole yard is just a disaster. We are not award winners by any means. And then I started trying to get the tomato cages to like fit, but it doesn't because there's just so much rock. So I have to dig the rock out and it's just a pain. Oh, the old lady that lived here before us just loved her rocks and I do not. And then we get to the rest of our plants. Something's growing in here and it might just be moss. It might just be mold, but we'll give it the benefit of the doubt. And I don't actually remember what was in here to start with. Here we've got peas, doing well. Except, again, something's been digging in here. Here's our catmint, which is supposed to repel ants, but you can see, there's an ant crawling in there right there, so that's working out well. And even Cheyenne wasn't that interested in it when I showed her. I think you're supposed to dry it though, and then the cats like it more. As you can see, there's just ant hills everywhere, and I kill them literally every single day. And then these two pots, I don't remember what I was doing. Stuff is growing, so we'll figure it out when it gets bigger or something will kill it first. So really, the only thing that's working is the marigolds and the tomatoes, which is funny because when I bought the marigolds, they were 50% off because they were half dead. And they look really good. So, I can plant marigolds and I can plant tomatoes. The rest of this, I don't know what I'm gonna do. The weeds grow well. So I'm gonna plant those delphine flowers. I will check in with you guys when I'm done. I'm not gonna do a time lapse because I didn't want to bring my camera outside. I just brought my phone. So see you when I'm done. Actually, one more thing. On the side of the house, I planted these, I don't know, a month ago. And they are doing surprisingly well, except for something keeps eating the flowers off of the dianthus. But the ice plants are so beautiful. I'm going to work on maybe trying to transplant some more because so this one is the dianthus, and then that's an ice plant. Dianthus, that's an ice plant. That one's doing really well. All of them get about 6 inches tall. They get about a foot. So I think I'm gonna work on next year doing a double of more back there in this beautiful rock garden. But hey, these guys, they love their rocks. It took me like an hour to just dig this out, and every so often I would take a little break, spray some Raid. It's disgusting how many ants are living in this, and there's 2 layers of fabric, and underneath that is just like barf. Barf, barf, barf. So we're having dinner with Dan's parents tonight, which is going to be quite a hike because they live a decent amount of time away from us. So we're meeting them halfway, but it's still about an hour drive to get to the place we're having for dinner. We're very green today. It's not a fancy place by any means, so we'll show up our usual selves. Blue Nike headband, teal Walmart tank top, kind of a minty seafoam green Under Armour zip up. I love this one because it's like one pocket. That's so nice. I got it at either Ross or TJ Maxx, don't remember which. And then the shorts are Under Armour, and I would have got them at Ross or TJ Maxx. We're not wearing these. I haven't decided yet, but we still have about a half hour till we leave. What the heck kind of bathroom is that? Happy Friday. We have to go to work today. I know, what a bummer. It's a little bit after 10 o'clock and I've just finally gotten myself up and alive and ready to rock and roll. I've been awake since 8, but it's raining and that just really makes me bummed. I wanted to get in my garden area and finish up my rock project, but alas, looks like we're stuck inside. We are going to yoga today. That is a little bit of a bright spot in our day. First though, let's make a berry lemonade and some toast. We've got the rest of my berries, which truthfully is a lot of blueberries and strawberries and like 2 raspberries. That's okay, love using things up. A whole lemon, we're gonna squeeze it really quick. And if you've seen any of my other lemonade recipes, I love sugar so much. A half cup of sugar. Delicious. I might need more water, but we'll figure that out if we blend it. Our after yoga fit. This is a little Victoria's Secret long sleeve that I've had for years, like college. It's super thin, so it's so nice for hot classes. I just finished up a hot power glide class, which I've only been to a couple times because it's only at noon on Fridays. And you know, I'm usually working noon on Fridays, but that's okay. My dirty laundry, my Born Primitive yoga shorts, and I love these because they have a pocket. Yoga bag. If you ever want links for anything, I can link the bag down below. And I have been waiting for this to come in the mail for weeks, and it is finally here. It is a hair identifier spray. Comes with 3 of those little hair face shaver things. You're supposed to just spray it on your face. It shows all those little hairs. So before we take a shower, let's do it. So I ordered it on Amazon, but it didn't come Prime shipping. So if you like this product, you'll be waiting a couple weeks, but I just looked it up and it is now Prime shipping. How unfair. What happened over here? Hopefully it's worth that wait. Do a thumbnail. Okay, comes with more of those little face shaver thingies. We've got our hair identifier spray in a bottle and another one. Okay, perfect. White print makes it hard to read. Well, shake the bottle to mix all the ingredients. Hold the bottle 5 to 7 inches away. Press the button and spray in short and powerful bursts. That is not working well. Can't see. Is it working? Oh, that's a little better. There we go. And now my battery is dying. Please hold. It's a little bit better. Yeah, you see my little hairs? Weird. Can you see that? That's crazy. Please hold while I put this on Instagram. Okay, we can see our hairs. Let's get to work. This is nuts. Okay, at first I was disappointed, but it seems like you just have to really, really shake it and then it works, so. Gotcha. I am shocked. I tried to stay away from my eyebrows because I really like how my eyebrow lady does my eyebrows, but I got, you know, some of my little unibrow hairs. Only had, I think, one little spot where I got myself a little hard, but otherwise, like, that's gross. Goodbye, face hairs. Hello, smooth face. What? Okay, let's shower. We are showered. Our hair is going to air dry. And we are using up little sample sizes of random stuff. So this is a grip primer from Milk. Very liquidy. I've used this before. You see Cheyenne? Why are you on my sparkle pants? Excuse me, young lady. You better not be eating those sequins. There is a problem, and it is you. For real. Once again, this cat has like 7 cat beds, and she chooses the most random places to sleep. Okay, so we are going to use the Stila. It's the Lingerie Soufflé Skin Perfecting color. I honestly don't enjoy the texture. The texture is not my favorite, and it makes me a little orange. So I like to do it over my reddish areas, and then I'll do a more preferred foundation over the top. I really like this Maybelline. I am the 130 Buff Beige. I like being able to do like a liquid foundation and then a dry over the top. It's like, oh yeah, I have a makeup mirror right here I'm sitting in front of. Maybe I should turn the lights on. Too Faced palette. The Lizzie McGuire blush. Do this profusion one. It's nice and glittery. Love a nice glittery one. It is a Whipped Glow Sweet Mousse one, so then you don't have to use a brush. And it just gives you such a nice glow. And eyeshadow. Do the Wet n Wild from TJ Maxx. Okay, here we go. We're nice, we're shiny, we're glittery. We need to do our mascara, but we'll do the Orange CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume, which is waterproof. I don't enjoy waterproof, but I want to use it up because I never ever use waterproof makeup these days. And then the Too Faced Better Than Sex. So I like to do this one first and then the pink one. Gonna make a little protein shake in my poor Ninja Blender that could give out any day now. This is my favorite kind of protein, marshmallow flavored, delicious. Scoop of that. Soy milk. Banana. I always take a bite. delicious. And we will make my hyper fixation meal that I have, I don't know, 4 times a week probably during the summer because I can't be bothered to make anything else or cook. Chicken wraps! A little list on my phone of all my air fryer times. Let's see. Chicken strips. $3.75, 11 minutes. Oops, that's not right. Yesterday's chicken wrap. I think I had one yesterday. I had way too much lettuce. She's a thing of beauty. 3 o'clock, I leave for work at about 4:30, so I'm gonna go exist in bed and watch TV, and I'll see you guys at work later. Snackies. I think we'll take a Pop-Tart. We'll take a s'more, I think. The last one, yes. S'more Pop-Tart. And a fruit snack. Oh, my hair. What's happening? I work 5 to 10, so technically that's kind of like my dinner. Put that in my satchel. Finishing up at Alani New. We were gonna leave, but I have to go fix my hair clip here. Hair is fixed. Little frizzy. Thought about straightening it, but why bother? Sweater. I remember buying this from Rue 21 back in 2020 because it came with a matching face mask. Ah, the memories. Miss Me jeans. Cute little sequin pockets. These are from Target like 2 years ago. Hair clip is a little smiley face. I don't know if you can see. That I got at TJ Maxx like a week ago. So annoying when people park there. Like, hello, there's a whole parking lot for you. You do not get special privileges.